Vanakkam and welcome to SV Nursing Guide. In this video, we are going to see some basic anatomy, body structures and medical terminology. First, anatomy. Anatomy is the branch of biology concerned with the study of structure of organisms and their parts. Anatomical position. The anatomical position will be body erect, feet slightly apart, palms facing forward, thumbs point away from body. Next we are going to see directional terms. Directional terms used to describe the relationship of one structure to another. Being able to understand and correctly use these terms is vital to identifying the portion of the body being referenced. Next we are going to see each directional terms. First, right, towards the right side of the body. Left, towards the left side of the body. Anterior or ventral, towards the front surface of the body. Posterior or dorsal, towards the back surface of the body. Medial, towards the midline or center of the body. Lateral, further from the center of the body pertaining to a side of the body. Superior, towards the head or upper portion of the body. Inferior, towards the foot or lower portion of the body. Next, proximal, towards or closer to the attachment of an extremity to the body. Distal, away from or further from the attachment of an extremity to the body. Superficial, towards the surface of the body. Deep, away from the surface of the body internally. Prone, lying face downward or having the palm of the hand facing inferiorly or posteriorly. Supine, lying face upward or having the palm of the hand facing superiorly or anteriorly. Ulnar, pertaining to the medial side of structures in the upper limb. Radial, pertaining to the lateral side of structures in the upper limb. Next we are going to see planes of the body. We have transverse plane, frontal or coronal plane and sagittal plane. In transverse plane, it divides the body into upper, superior and lower inferior portion. Next, frontal or coronal plane. It divides the body into anterior and posterior portion. Next, sagittal plane. It divides the body into right and left sides. Next, body cavities. We have cranial cavity, thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity, pelvic cavity and vertebral cavity. In cranial cavity, brain is present. In spinal cavity, spinal cord. In thoracic cavity, lungs, trachea, esophagus and heart. In abdominopelvic cavity, stomach, intestine, liver, spleen, pancreas, kidney and reproductive organs. Next, divisions of the spinal cord. In spinal cord, 5 divisions: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacrum and coccyx. In cervical, 7 bones, thoracic 12 bones, lumbar 5 bones, sacrum 5 fused bones, in coccyx 4 fused bones. Next, regions of abdominopelvic cavity. We have 9 regions: right hypochondriac, right lumbar, right iliac, epigastric region, umbilical region, hypogastric region, left hypochondriac, left lumbar, left iliac. In hypochondriac region, liver, gallbladder, right kidney and small intestine present. In right lumbar, gallbladder, liver, right colon. In right iliac, appendix and cecum. In epigastric region, stomach, liver, pancreas, duodenum, spleen and adrenal glands. In umbilical region, umbilicus, parts of the small intestine and duodenum. In hypogastric region, urinary bladder, sigmoid colon, female reproductive organs. In left hypochondriac region, spleen, colon, left kidney and pancreas. In left lumbar, descending colon and left kidney. In left iliac, descending colon and sigmoid colon. These are the basic anatomy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.